Tehillim 82. A Psalm by Asaph. Elohim presides in the great assembly. He judges among the Elohim. How long will you judge unjustly and show partiality to the wicked? Selah. Defend the weak, the poor, and the fatherless. Maintain the rights of the poor and oppressed. Rescue the weak and needy. Deliver them out of the hand of the wicked. They don't know, neither do they understand. They walk back and forth in darkness. All the foundations of the earth are shaken. I said, "You are Elohim. All of you are sons of Elyon. Nevertheless, you shall die like men and fall like one of the rulers. Arise, Elohim, judge the earth, for you inherit all of the nations.